This time we are going to learn about the lines. There are several kinds. You need to know at least three of them: the line, line segment, and ray, as you learned in your geometry class. So let's do with segment first, because it's most intuitive. So as the name says, it allows you to connect 2 points here. What point? You could make one on the fly. I could have one point by clicking, and I can make another point by clicking, like that. Now, let me choose the pointer to move it around. You see, the line is connected automatically. That's the beauty of it. Okay, let's make another one. Click, and I have one and another, like that. Okay, so now, once again, if I move it around, the line follows. So I'd like to show you what I missed, I omitted in points here. There's one called intersect here. When you choose this here, now you want to put a point on it, it will choose the intersection automatically. So if I go here and click, it doesn't click because it only will go onto intersection. See, I was quite far, but it went for the intersection. This is not just another point. See, it will move with you. See, so let me choose the pointer. The intersect stays at the intersection, just like that. Now I can click here and delete it. There's another way of doing it. I could have done this with just point here, without having to go to intersect, point here. Now, the thing is, I got to watch carefully. You see, this line gets slightly thicker, and when I move over, you see, thick, thin, thick, thin. This one gets thick, thin, thick, thin. There's a way to make both of them thick. Ready? If I go here, happened, right? Then you click. It is at the intersection. So you get the same result here. So let me choose the pointer and move it. It is at the intersection. What would happen if I move it out? Ooh. But it reappears when I do this. In this case, I made the points on the fly, but often you have existing points like this and this, then you got to connect them. Again, you can do it. Go here, and then you go, you see the point lighting up is unlit, now it's lighted up. You click here, then drag it until it lights up. Actually, it doesn't light up, but you go close enough, then it will connect there. How do you know it connected? By moving it. The line will follow. Just like that. Now, I'd like to show you the other ones. So let's talk about the line. Line has no end, right? It just goes forever. So when I do click, click, it will have forever, you see? It will go as far as the canvas allows, which is infinite. See, it keeps on going like that. So that's exactly the definition of the line in geometry, right? And then you can have ray also. So here we go to ray and start from anywhere I want and go to anywhere. This will go forever in that direction. So now if I choose this one here, move around, it will turn around like a radar or the lighthouse. While we are on the topic of line here, I can choose the line, then I can choose the type of line that I want. Dotted line, whatever you want. And then you can also, while I'm at it, I can choose the thickness of it. Like that. Of course, I should be able to choose the color of it, which is here. There we go. That's pretty horrendous looking, but it is. Now, I'd like to show you here. If I go and then choose a pointer and make sure both of them light up, there we go. Click. I got the intersection. So choose this one, move it. See, intersection is there. I can even connect intersection with intersection. Let me have a line segment. So I go from this intersection to this intersection. It's hard to see, but I will make it clear for you now. Let's move it. Here we go. Oh, I happen to hit the same one. That was not wise. Let me see. Yeah, you would not see it. Because this is the line. Okay. But I should have done with something else. Let's see. Can I show you how? Oh, here we go. I will intersect here. So I will find this one lights up. This one lights up. Here they line up at the same time. I got to choose a pointer, of course. Point. Here we go. Now I can intersect them. Okay. So I connect these two. I think I got it. Did I? Yeah, I got it. So now they're connected. So no matter how I move, you can see them tracking each other.